open one of my shopo here.
Oh,
It's really good.
it's the feeling. And ate
The ones
almost
that I almost ate everything. I thought that thing is
on the video.
It's filming, but,
But no.
of course.
My sister.
I must say, I don't want to say it. My goodness, I knew it.
I lost my appetite.
No, I don't know what to tell you. Let me drink for my drink purse.
You lost your appetite. You were talking
I've been talking for
for
nothing.
Oh, say hi to Jill and
Hi, Jill.
I shout out to Jill
Shout
and your
out
boyfriend
Miss Jill Stern and your sweetie. Thank you.
for
shout out for,
liking and
yeah.
subscribing.
Thank you for
always
subscribing and for always watching. Thank you, Jill.
Come over and have some of our delicious food.
Next time you visit California, you come over. Okay? Let me go eat my siopaw.
You've been eating it.
I've been eating it. Let me put some thing. I should have a plate. A plate here. But no. I've been eating the sample. I'm sampling
I thought the video is on and sorry. It's good.
It's really good.
That how about the saltiness? It's right. Good.
Perfect.
Look at that feeling. That's already half. She ate half of it because she thought the video was on.
Okay, that's it.
No, it's only. Are you going to eat another one?
Are you kidding me? Later.
Oh my gosh. That's a good dough.
What time is the other one?
5.
5 o'clock. This is good with the Tabasco.
Douglas, have some.
I put some Tabasco instead of the regular.
Oh, it's good
thing.
with Tabasco.
Yeah,
It's better.
it's better. Ang sarap niyan.
It's good.
The bread is good.
The bread is good. Perfect ang bread mo. Ayan. And of course, my feel is perfect too.
Oh, Doug will try it.
Doug,
Open it. Show
Try it with
everybody how to open
Over
it.
here, Doug.
Try it with Tabasco.
No, come here.
Hindi na, wag na. Yung pilitin na ayaw.
Eat it with Tabasco. Ann said it's good.
It's good with Tabasco.
Huh?
Mamaya, I will make some sauce for it.
No, we'll make asado naman.
Kasi biglaan ang gawa ng siopaw eh.
We'll make
We'll
asado.
try another flavor.
Naisipan lang.
Another
We'll try
flavor.
another,
Asado chicken.
feeling like chicken
I have,
or asado. Asado,
really
I
good.
have a chicken thigh. We can make that tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
I have to fix the other one.
Oh,
I have to go.
At 5 o'clock. We have to take it out of the
Take it out of the steamer.
It's really good.
Okay.
It's the first batch.
It's good with Tabasco, guys. It's really good.
So tomorrow,
Make asado. I'll take out the chicken thigh.
Tomorrow, we're going to make some
On Monday, Ning.
next ano, when you come back.
okay, I will be on vacation.
So I have to go.
So we will-
I have to
you
get
won't have
the
anything.
next batch.
No filming.
No more filming for 2 weeks. Okay, goodbye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, share, and comment.
And
Of
like.
course, like. See you later.